I blindfolded Linja to taste test her palate.
Can you hear me?
Here, give her a couple punches like this.
Let's see how good she is.
A cinnamon roll slice of bread.
Yeah, I can feel you. Am I supposed to tell you what it is?
Yep.
Like bread plus something sweet, like applesauce?
Give her a 50-50.
Yeah. It's a slice of bread, but it's cinnamon rolled flavored.
Oh, okay.
Aged cheddar. She has to be specific. Which type of cheese?
It is definitely cheese. I'm going to say Parmesan Reggiano.
Is that your final answer?
Yes.
It is cheese, but it's aged cheddar.
Oh, okay.
Almost had it there. Pistachios. It's crunchy.
It's a pistachio nut.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you positive?
Yeah.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, you're right. We got a Fuji apple.
The skin is just, I'm going to say an apple.
Yeah, you got it.
Okay.
Okay, last one. We have a red bell pepper. It smells like it though.
I'm going to say radish.
What flavor profiles are giving you radish?
Well, the crunch, a little bitter. Oh
Red
my
bell pepper.
gosh. Yeah.
2.5 points.
Oh, I got the cheese.
Oh, you got the cheese too.
But you said she has to get the exact one.
Yeah, specific.
How do you feel about that performance, Ron?
It's pretty terrible.
No, you did a good job.
You failed. You got a 50%.
Yeah.
You failed in class.